Hello and welcome back to my channel. So how are you all? Hope so you all are fine and doing great. So today I am here with a new video of Christmas and decoration ideas, and hope so you guys like this ideas and also want this type of ideas for your home, for your rooms. So first of all, very happy Merry Christmas to all of you. And you guys want Christmas trees, Christmas decoration ideas. So in this video there are Christmas trees decoration and Christmas decoration ideas for your home, for your room. And if you are new at my channel, so please subscribe my channel, press bell icon for more videos of this type, and must visit my channel. And if you want more videos, so tell me in comment section. And if you like this video, give your feedback about this video in comment section. And take care of yourself, your family, and your belongings. We met in another video soon. Love is goodbye, tata, bye bye.